So hello guys, so in this video we will see some of the most asked question on Java 8 in the interviews. So I have given lots of interviews and based on that I have prepared 4 questions in which you will be mostly asked during your interviews. So be prepared for that, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then I will suggest you to first subscribe it and watch out some of the videos that I have uploaded earlier. You can find playlist for OS, DBMS and Java. So let's begin this session. So in this video I will share some of the insight on Java 8. So these are the 4 questions that I have been asked almost in each and every interview. So if you are preparing for Java 8 questions, so you can see these 4 questions over here. So traversing array list using Java 8, counting the data in the list using Java 8, which again can be done using a stream API. I assuming that you must know what a stream is. So traversing map using Java 8. So using for each we can do here. So I prepared all the coding things, so you don't have to bother about it. So next and the last one is sort map using Java 8. So all these questions are very much important if you are preparing for interviews. So I will suggest you first go and try by yourself, and then come here to get to know what it is. So let's begin. So I'm using STS, so you could use any of the IDs. So it is similar to Eclipse. So let's close all the other things. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so I am having here main class, and inside main class I'm having my class. Inside my class I am having main method. So inside main method I have prepared all the methods that need to get answered. Okay, so first of all I have created an array list. So you can see here, so we can create array list using arrays.asList property. So after creating array list, so what was our first question? So it was to traverse array list using Java 8 property. So in order to traverse, so I have created a method on it. So here is a method. So let's check out function f3. This is the shortcut if you don't know to arrive where the method definition is. So here we are simply passing the array list reference al, and on al we are calling the method for each, and inside for each we are passing this. Instead of method reference we can also use lambda expression inside for each loop. So it is simply printing the elements whichever inside this array list has. So instead of doing this method reference, so we can do using lambda expression too. So first let's check how it is working. Okay, let me comment out this method and now run. Just save and run. Okay, so you can see here it is now printing 42218, whatever the array list contains. Okay, so these are the values. So this is one way of printing array list using for each loop. Okay, and let me come to the another question, that is count the data in the list using Java stream. Okay, so let me comment it down, and now uncomment this, and now come to this. Okay, so here we are having our count data method. So it is basically what it is doing. It is taking the ArrayList reference and taking the data on which we have to count it. So on the ArrayList reference we are doing stream this time. So stream, if you don't know, then you can check it what a stream is. So it is a kind of pipeline of functions that get called one by one. So it basically do some processing on some source. So here we are having source as AL, so which is nothing but an array list. So on this source we are doing this stream. Okay, so now after AL dot stream we can use pipelines of functions, means we can use one or more than one functions here. So here we are doing only applying only filter. Okay, so filter actually returns a stream consisting of elements of this stream that match the given predicates. Okay, so actually you can try to learn read whatever written here. So for your more query, you can get your answer just by going to control, and you can read the declaration or implementation. Okay, so that is on you. Okay, so here we are filtering all the elements. Here we are passing our lambda expression. So E, and for each E we are using equals I, for which that means that for each of the data, if that equals to the element, so it will do nothing but it will iterate all over the list. Here we are having our list, so it will iterate one by one like this, and it will check, means equals, if that data is equals to the data we have provided. Okay, so if both are same, then this actually returns. Okay, so after that it will just count number of times it has been repeated, and in order to print this result we are using long here. So why long, why not int? Because it will give you a compile time error. Let's check. So it is giving you compile time error. Why? Because the count we are having, you can check like here. Let's go to its implementation. Whenever at any point of time, if you are not getting what it is doing actually, so you can go to its implementation and just learn what it is doing. Okay, so actually each and everything is written there, so you can go and check it out. Okay, so let me print this thing. So I've uncommented this thing. My battery is dying. So let's run. So it has appeared 2 times. So whatever we have passed actually 22. So 22 you can see here. 22 has come 2 times. Okay. Now iterating map. So here we are having a map, and we have created a simple map, and we have inserted some data on it. Now we will traverse using for each loop. So it is nothing but a very simple question. So let's go and check it out. So here we are having, so we will take this hash map reference, we will do for each, and inside this for each again we will put a lambda expression. So here the lambda expression, the parameter is k and v, means for each k and v element we are printing our key and value. Okay, so this was simple. So now come to next question. So next question, again we have created a employee class. a simple employee class that has actually some number associated with some name. Okay, so 1 for Saurabh, 8 for Gaurav, 3 for Adit, 44 for Ron. Okay, so we have added all our employee into the employee list that is being assigned to this reference. Okay, so now we will sort our employees list based on the name. Okay, so what it is doing, it's actually again using the lambda expression, because we are here trying to understand the Java. So here we will pass our employee map, and now we will print what it was before sorting. Okay, so and then we will take this reference, we will sort, and we will pass our lambda expression again, and in this comparator. So here we are passing the comparator. So in this comparator we will take two objects, o1, o2, whatever you can take. Okay, so in this o1.getName we will override our comparator method, and now we will print our employees after sorting. So this is as simple as, so let's check. Okay, so you can see here, so this result is as generated. So my battery is dying, and I have to recharge. So before that I'm just committing all this thing. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, tag, whatever you want to do. Thank you. Thank you.